Hi, my name is Emily and I'm here at the Lippert Technical Institute. Today I would like you to follow along as I show you the process of removing and replacing the Lippert battery monitor. Before you begin this process, make sure you have any PPE that is necessary for this, specifically safety glasses. When you're ready to start the removal of the battery monitor, make sure you disconnect all power from the camper. So either turn off the battery disconnect switch, disconnect the wires at your battery, and make sure you are disconnected from your shore power. On your screen, you'll see the tools you need for this procedure. Here in our battery compartment, you can see that we have a battery disconnect switch, making sure that that is turned to the off position and disconnecting power to the battery monitor. We can begin the removal process by removing this cover from the battery monitor, and now you can see the two screws securing the battery monitor to the wall, and where the power coming into the battery monitor and then going out to the camper are located, and our grounding wire. Let's just remove the easiest connection at the bottom here, which is this spade terminal. And then we can take our ratcheting socket wrench. Make sure you turn it to the counterclockwise position and start removing these nuts that are securing the wires to the battery monitor. Once you have your wires removed, you can remove the screws securing the battery monitor. After you have all of those parts removed from the wall, you can begin installing your new battery monitor. Make sure you gently secure the monitor to the wall as to not crack any of the components of the monitor. We're going to start by connecting the positive wire going to our camper's wiring, and then we can connect our battery disconnect switch to the other side of our battery monitor. And then going clockwise, we can tighten down these nuts. And then we can connect our grounding spade terminal to the bottom of our battery monitor. Now, if you haven't already done so, you need to make sure that you replace your old battery monitor sticker with the new QR code sticker that's on your new unit. If you don't replace that, it will make it difficult to find the information you need to connect to your new monitor. Once you have all the wires connected to your new battery monitor, you can turn the power back on to your camper and start connecting your new monitor to your Lippert OneControl app. Once you are replacing your Lippert battery monitor, you'll have to unpair your app from the old battery monitor. And you can do this by opening the app, selecting the battery monitor currently connected to your device, going to Settings, scrolling to the bottom of the settings screen, and click Unpair. It will ask you if you're sure you want to unpair from that battery monitor. Select Yes. And now we have the option to add a new device. And you'll do this by going to the plus sign, selecting battery monitor, and you have the option to scan with your camera or connect manually. Once you have this option open, we're going to select Scan with Camera, and we're going to use that QR code that came with our new battery monitor. And that completes the process of replacing Lippert's battery monitor and resyncing to your Bluetooth device. If you have any questions, you can go to Lippert support website and find documentation for our battery monitor there, or you can use the link in the description below.